So weekly advisor movements, 8th of April 2021. A relatively flat week this week following Easter and a clean up from the previous weeks on the ASIC register. So overall, we had flat numbers, ceased of 4, new of 4, and switches of 16. A shout out to a couple of those switches. So Craig and Andrew Moody going from Garvan to Infocus, and Craig Smith from Shartru Wealth to ANIG Wealth Management. Biggest gains this week, Interwest, 4 advisors coming over from AMP, Synchron, 4 advisors, Infocus, 4, and Quadrant First Financial Advice, who are owned by Tasplan down there, 12 advisors coming from Link Advice, so a bit of an internal transfer amongst the super space. Biggest losses this week, Hillross down 4, the AMP owned Hillross, and now we have the biggest 3 licensees in Australia. Morgan's lost 4, AMP lost 5, now sitting at 763, and SMSF Advisor Network, the accounting group, down 6, now sitting at 823. So that's it for the week. Relatively short one this week. If you haven't already, go and claim your profile, but we should expect higher numbers in coming weeks. Unfortunately, you may have seen our recent article in the AFR regarding our recent forecast, which is forecast to end up at 13,000 in the next 3 years. We'll share more on that. If you want to, there's a webinar coming up, which I'll share more on over the course of the next few days. Until then.